Well, if you've ever been to In-N-Out, chances are you've had their animal style fries. I haven't had them. I want them so bad. A lot of people say they are delicious. And if you want to try making them at home, Jillian Lopez joins us with a recipe.
If you want to try recreating a fast food favorite, our partners at Better Homes and Gardens have you covered. Here's a recipe for how to make animal style French fries.
Here's how to make at-home animal-style French fries. Combine mayonnaise, ketchup, white balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Then stir until even. Have a basket of French fries ready to go. Top with 2 slices of American cheese. Follow that up with caramelized onions. Then drizzle with the mayonnaise mixture, also known as special sauce. And that's it! Now you have delicious animal-style French fries right at home.
Well, I could eat that special sauce mixture with a spoon. It's that good. For more great recipes like this, just go to bhg.com. Better Homes and Gardens is owned by our parent company, the Meredith Corporation.